your customers.
Yeah, what are they? I'd like to know what they are
Hey.
also. Yeah.
Wow. And so
But you
it's
don't.
her and what else?
Yeah, it's the wool and the selling of the Priya for babies.
Man, look at the smoke. That water bomber is going to come by here and bomb us.
That one didn't even go out.
Go, yeah. What was that?
How high it'll go, right?
Oh man, it split the thing. Oh, or maybe
That means you can get the fuse going through there. That wasn't there before. Hey, let me
we wanna
do
get
the
a
evidence
new-
of the
a new-
bottom.
just,
Hey, what?
You come here and light that. Warren can do it.
Oh my god. Okay, someone hold this. Someone hold this. Wait. Oh, you
got
got
it.
it.
Yeah, blow on the punk and light it. Again, right where you're touching it. Blow. Okay, get back. Oh my goodness.
about an inch and a half.
I hope I held it steady. That was it.
Now we'll get the.
That's good thinking. Okay, Warren. What's a blinking R mean? That means record. There was a blinking R right
I
above
don't know
where it says
what
D zoom.
that means. The new frame or something.
Jason, you want to rub some water in your eyes?
That's fun. That was a bad one.
Want to run some water in your eyes?
Probably that.
I just splashed cold water in my face.
Yeah. I heard it going.
I'm gonna stand behind this tree here. It's like the
Heads up. Yeah, we have pick up that piece, just show how big it is.
Yeah. Fireplace would be a good thing to go in the fireplace. Oh, there's bikes
Move, Fred. That's the toughest stump in
But take a look down. Oh, you know, I might have just put some powder in there. Now we get a lighter or something with.
Nothing.
Yeah, it'll probably get blown out because of the brightness. Okay, Warren, you really got it? Yeah. Steady hand.
Got them.
Good job.
That did it.
Catch that at all?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, look at the moon.
Leave it on.
Woohoo!
Retaliating.